Okay. Upper elementary, we have the Checky X Award. Are you ready? Baxter Huntington, Ryan Patel, Jack Sullivan, Sean Swayze, Annalise Ringbeck. This is a new award this year. Baxter, I'm going to put you on the spot. What does it mean?
It means that you got the most check yeses, meaning you finished all your work the most times out of everyone in the classroom.
And as those of you know who are part of the upper elementary, it's a lot of work.